Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Paxful wallet. First, open the Paxful app or website and sign in. Before you continue, make sure your ID and phone number are verified. Withdrawals won't work without this. Next, tap Wallet at the bottom. If your money is in crypto, you'll need to convert it first. Tap Convert, choose the cryptocurrency you have. For example, Bitcoin, and convert it into USDT or USD depending on what you prefer. Once that's done, go to the Market tab. At the top, tap Payment Method and choose how you want to withdraw, like bank transfer. Browse through the offers and pick the best rate. Just note that some offers may require additional ID verification. Tap Sell, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and fill in your bank details or the payment information requested by the buyer. After you follow the steps inside the trade chat and the buyer sends the money, the withdrawal will be complete. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from your Paxful wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.